How to download and install VirtualBox in Windows 10. First you have to search VirtualBox in your browser. Then click this link www.virtualbox.org. Then click Download VirtualBox 5.0. Then click VirtualBox 5.0.8 for Windows host. Then VirtualBox is downloading. I already downloaded it. Then go to the downloaded folder. Then double click on VirtualBox setup file. Click next, next, next. Click yes. Click install. Do you want to allow this app to install software on your PC? Click yes. Oracle VM VirtualBox 5.0.8 installation is completed. Click finish. Then go to click Windows icon. Click all apps. Click Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click Oracle VM VirtualBox. VirtualBox is opened. Thank you.